He has a concentration from here.
Yeah.
Burn. Damn. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, that fucking hurts.
Oh, someone's teleporting. Uh-oh.
Oh.
I don't think I like this. Yeah. Can't get out of that flip.
Holy shit.
Just take some time.
It's crazy because the Singe is one that has 5 kills. The Jhin has only 1. I hope he stays. Oh shit, he's 2 levels ahead of me now though.
Oh my god. Oh god. Oh, I'm dead. Worth.